Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download Angel One app on your laptop. And this is quite simple. Please go to Google or the website that you are using and search for Angel One app laptop. Then right now we click here on this link right here, the Angel One download for your laptop. And then if you want this speed market, click then here on download. So right now he's downloading it here right in the top. So we will wait until it got finished. So right now the download is done. Click on it. Click on yes. I accept the agreement. Next. Create a desktop shortcut. Do next. Yes, we do next. Yes. And then right now it got downloaded right here. So this is exactly how you can download the Angel One application on your laptop. Hopefully this video helped you out, and then from now, thanks for watching.